Hey guys, it's Sunny here. Welcome back to my channel. If it's not your first time on this channel, welcome back family. And if it is your first time, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe if you are new to this channel, because you do not want to miss out what this channel is about. I promise you, you will not regret that you have subscribed. So do so today. Do so as you watch this video. I hope you do enjoy the video. Though today's video is going to be a little different, we will be making alterations. So a friend of mine approached me. She's very tall, so she approached me and wanted to make her pants or jeans long. So of course I wouldn't have the exact same fabric as the jean to make the jeans look long. So I suggested if we could do this border, like this lace border, to add it up on the jeans to make it look longer, and to accentuate the beauty of the jeans or of the pants. And if you do give this a try, please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram, or just let me know that this gave you an idea of what you can do on pants that you have or jeans that you have. It is actually a very chic looking design after you finish with the project. I hope you do enjoy it. It's not very long, it's not very detailed, but I just wanted to share a short video of what I done. I'm not really doing a lot of explanation. I hope the video will be self-explanatory. Enjoy the rest of the video. With this process, you don't necessarily have to overlock if you don't have an overlock machine. If you don't have an overlock machine, you can use a zigzag stitch on the normal domestic machine. But if you do have an overlock, it will give you a very neat look. But however, even if you just leave it the way it is, it doesn't matter. Just cut out the strings from the jeans and it will look perfectly fine. Once you're done attaching your lace onto the jean or pants, you would want to just hand stitch the lace, especially like this one. It has spiky at the top, so you would want to have it stick to the pants. So basically you just hand sew the places or hand stitch the places where you want them to be flat. And the lace is a bit of a hard lace, so I wanted it to actually be sewn together with the pants, so that's why I'm hand stitching it. So before you start with your alterations, you just want to see how the end product will look like. Just put your lace against your pants, as you can see over here, before I quick and pick the seam from the jeans. Okay guys, that will be it for this tutorial. I hope you did enjoy it, even though I didn't explain much. I think and I hope it was just very clear. But if you would like a detailed video, let me know. I will definitely do one. And I hope this video gave you an idea of what you can do to make your pants look beautiful, or accentuate the beauty of your pants, or make them look different, you know. Or if somebody has asked you to make it long, and just like my friend. I hope you do enjoy this video, guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.